What's up, DIYOS? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lara and you're watching my video.
Bring the action.
Wiggle, 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 don't stop, don't stop, don't.
Welcome to our new episode on how to speak waray-waray. And for this vlog, I will be teaching you phrases on how to make a girl fall in love in waray-waray. But before we start, if you are new here, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell below para ma-inspire mo. Ayan, so I've read some of the comments on my previous vlogs about how to speak waray-waray that they want to learn more because meron silang nililigawan na babae in waray, or they want to make a girl fall in love in waray-waray. So guys, this is for you. Sana makatulong ito sa inyo. So how do we start? Or paano nga ba nagsisimula yun? Gosh. How to make a girl fall in love? Of course, we start naman with, I think, diba, we make conversations. And of course, I think number one dyan is to make compliments or to say words that will make her feel nice about herself. Diba? Yung maganda yung sasabihin mo, yung ma-appreciate mo siya kung ano meron sa kanya, and you say it through words. And itong ituturo ko sa inyo, make sure na gagamitin nyo ito sa tamang panahon, sa tamang pagkakataon, at of course, dapat sincere kayo when you say this or when you tell this to a girl. Okay, let's start. First phrase. I always learn so much from you. In waray, we say it, kadati mo, permiak may da nahihibaruan sa imo. Oh, ang bilis na na. You say it again. Kadati mo, permiak may da nahihibaruan sa imo. So you tell this when you appreciate a girl, especially if you've been talking for a while now at marami kang natututunan galing sa kanya sa kahit na anong topic ang pinag-uusapan nyo, or depende kung anong topic ang lagi nyong pinag-uusapan na nagkakasundo kayo, diba? So it's nice to say this to appreciate her. Next, you've got such nice eyes. In waray, we say it, kaupay san imong mata.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は
Yes, that's it. So it's one way of appreciating the physical look of the girl that you like. Next, meron akong kopyahan dito. You make me laugh. It makes me happy. In waray, we say it, napapatawa mo ako, nalilipayak sa imo.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は
Yes, so that's it. Next, you're not like everyone else. In waray, we say it, ba't lumalapit na ako sa comment? Naiiba ka sa tanan na ako nakilala.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するの
Next, you're sexy. Okay, so before I teach you the translation of this, make sure that you use this phrase when the mood is right, or how will you say this phrase without sounding like you are intending another meaning, you know, parang hindi naman siya parang bastos. So how will you tell that you're sexy? You can say, naangay sa imo lawas. Again, you can say, naangay sa imo lawas. So that's one way of saying you are sexy. You're appreciating kung ano man yung kanyang physical body. Okay, chubby man siya, payat, yun. Basta gusto mo lang kung ano yung kanyang itsura. Next, you're good at what you do. Just say, kadati mo sa imo ginihimo. This is appreciating a girl with her talents, kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Halimbawa, the girl that you like is good in dancing, or singing, or photography, or kung ano man. So, just compliment her by saying, kadati mo sa imo ginihimo. Okay, next, you look great today, or you look beautiful. How will you say it? Kaupay mo yan na kitaon, or kahusay mo yan na.
君の虜になってしまえばきっと 充実
Next, your hair looks amazing. In Waray, we say it, kaupay sa imong buhok, naangay sa imo.
君の虜になってしまえばきっと
Next, how did I get so lucky to have you in my life? You tell this phrase to appreciate someone, that you are thankful that you've met them or you've met her kahit hindi pa man kayo or hindi naman kayo, pero masaya ka dahil nakilala mo siya. Use this phrase. How did I get so lucky to have you in my life? For this phrase, you can say it in Waray. Kaswerte ko kay nakilala ko ikaw. Or we have a longer version and I think this is sweeter. Kaya mo to. Panano daw laak, naging good sini kaswerte, na nahingali ka sa akong kinabuhi.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の dreaming up
So basic, you can say this anytime, every day, or kung kailan mo siya gustong sabihan nito. You're beautiful. In Waray, you say, kahusay mo. Beautiful is kahusay or mahusay. Next, if you want to compliment the girl na hindi lang siya maganda pero matalino rin, usually you say in English, you're not just beautiful, but you're smart too. In Waray, you just say, diri ka lang mahusay, dati ka pa. Next, nobody makes me happier than you. In Waray, you say, waray na iba na nagpapalipay sa akon, kundi ikaw lang.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのモード噂の dream
Make sure you say it na super sincere kasi dun kayo ma-appreciate talaga. Kahit nahirapan pa kayong sabihin sa Waray. So that's it for today's lesson. So those are like mga 12 phrases na itinuro ko sa inyo. Sana makatulong yun sa inyo at good luck sa mga guys dyan. Of course, tulad ng sinasabi ko kanina, say it with sincerity. Be yourself dahil dun naman talaga kayo may kilala ng girl na gusto nyo. Kahit di naman waray ang sabihin nyo, pero talagang gusto ka niya dahil sa personality mo, dahil nagpapakatotoo ka, go for it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it and sana again nakatulong ko sa inyo kahit medyo magulo ako. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video para ma-inspire ako. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. DIYOS, MABALOS.